Joe the plumber here. Today we're going to be replacing a length of 8-inch cast that's leaking profusely. Ooh, doggy. My horse and carriage is for hire, señorita. Thank you. You're beautiful. I'll be here all week. Look at that. Tried using the snap cutters. This pipe is so corroded. This is where we're at. Oh, use the cast hammer. Cast hammer. Oh, there. Coming at you. Is that gonna drop? Watch yourself. I think that's gonna. Oh, we're on a hanger though. Okay, so we don't want to break on that side. No. And we're lucky. It's not light because it's full. Ah! Okay. What do we do here? Get rid of it. Hey, mommy, daddy, coming at ya. I think this fucking thing will break. You okay? No, I am. Okay. Wow.
You can keep that hammer.
You don't want it?
What?
Wash it.
It is like your hammer. I got another one in my hand anyways.
I don't know how long.
I got on my phone.
They're flushing a lot of fucking paper towels in.
Notice that, yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can lift it.
Yeah.
And then you just gotta get it below. Just drop it down below. Okay, walk it out your way ahead. Okay, beauty. Okay. So then we got this shit. How much do we clean? Where's the sewage hammer? Okay. Sewage hammer coming at you. Sewage hammer, please listen. You don't know what you're missing. Plumber from Adventures at 60. Now, if you just joined us, we've had everything go wrong that possibly could. Everything is deteriorated. Okay, if you've just joined us, now we got that out, except on the other side there was a 45 rising up. Too much weight, not enough support, so we're replacing that also. My trusty sidekick, Kato, is getting the drill ready. We're going to put the Fernco's on. So this Y was resting on just this end on there, and then this piece was angled down with no support, nothing off the wall. Well, what do you think happened? You think you can guess? So, went into the wholesale, we located. Hello, how are you? Have you been alright? In all these lonely nights. Oh, I wish I knew. Oh, why don't you come on and eat the good? Oh, yeah. Ooh. Hey, have you been okay? Ah? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just waiting for Fingers to get his gloves on. Rolling it into place. Okay, you ready, Fingers?
Yeah.
What do you need?
Push forward.
Oh. Okay. Spit on it. Hey! Whoa, look at that. Just like the doctor ordered, fella. Oh! Is it in enough?
That's it.
Okay, what? What happened? So James is the corn whisperer.
Yeah. He opens a clean out, finds a piece of corn, moves to the next clean out. The corn follows him.
Corn everywhere. Whenever this guy's involved.
We call him
Corn!
He's Colonel now.
It's cornholio.